Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our summer holiday card making kit. This is a fabulous kit, has got everything you need in here to make 6 cards, and we have got 10 cards and envelopes in there so you can make many more of your leftovers. I am going to show you the gorgeous cards that you can make. So these are really pretty, just bright, summery, fun cards, great to have in your stash. Card making kits are just $27. All you need is some glue, some scissors, a ruler, and you are good to go. Fabulous for the kids to do in the school holidays. And you will be able to make these 6 fun cards that I have made, and you can make more with all your leftovers. So that is the January summer holiday card making kit. This kit is available on the 5th of January and will be shipping out straight away for you. Thanks guys, hope you had a great new year. Bye.